Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for the month of May 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. And let's see. For you, Capricorn, ngayon kasing month ng May, mas maganda yung energies niya astrologically. Kasi halos lahat ng planets ay naka-direct. Wala tayong retrograde except for Pluto na magre-retrograde sa May 4. Ayan. So Pluto is the planet of transformation, endings, new beginnings. So maaring meron ka mga i-reassess sa buhay mo na mga bagay na gusto mo nang itapusin or i-let go para sa brand new you, no? So, ngayong may marirealize mo kung ano yung mga bagay na yon. Maaring meron ka mga experiences na makakapag-solidify, no? Yung parang makakapag-validate ng mga changes na kailangan mong gawin or mga endings na kailangan mo nang i-let go para sa sarili mo na alam mong makakabuti para sa'yo. So, let's see what else. Capricorn, May 2025. Ooh, you have the 10th house. You have Pluto in Aquarius. Wow. So, itong Pluto in Aquarius talaga is yan yung magre-retrograde ngayong May 4, which is in your 10th house of career. So, Capricorn, maaring merong major change sa yung trabaho, sa career path mo ngayong May. Pwede tong unexpected, no? Na hindi mo inaasahan na, okay, you're going to end this job or career path or this business para sa bago. And I think this is something different, no? Hindi siya yung kagaya nung mga dati mo ng trabaho or mga experiences mo before. Pwedeng ito ay bago mong discovery, no? Sa sarili mo na, ito pala. Subukan ko kaya tong career na to, yung trabaho na to. And maaring ngayong May ka magkakaroon ng lakas ng loob to finally do it. So Willow is about clarity, no? Illumination, joy, and light. So I feel like kung ano man yung mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip mo ng mga nakaraan, especially in terms of your career, or yung path na tinatahak mo, ngayong May, magiging maliwanag na sa'yo kung para saan. Kung ano yung dapat mong i-pursue. And I think this is something na may kinalaman sa kung saan ka magaling, kung saan ka malakas, kung saan nandoon yung iyong power. Oo. So, maaring meron kang madidiscover na certain talent or abilities or skills na doon mo makikita na nandun pala yung strength mo, yung lakas mo. You also have Manas. Manas is self-awareness. So, you are finally realizing na you are, kumbaga, meron ka pang kayang gawin na pwedeng dati hindi mo siya kinoconsider na gagawin mo or ipupurso mo. But now, you realize na why not give it a try? Bakit hindi ko subukan? So, Uranus is your vitality, your strength, your power. I think, ngayong May, mas palalakasin mo yung katawan mo. You will go back to mobility. Mas magiging movement, no? Mas magkikikilos ka. Mas magiging active ka. Pwedeng, kung dati, hindi ka nakapag-exercise, so ngayong May, talagang you will keep yourself active, moving, doing things, to make some changes, no, sa sarili mo. And I think part ng transformation mo rin yan, yung sarili mo. Kasi the 10th house is also your reputation. What you want the people see. No? Kung ano yung gusto mong makita ng ibang tao sa'yo. So you're going to show the world your strength, your power, your abilities, your skills. So some of you, new career path to or new business, trabaho. Okay, let's see what else, Capricorn. What's up? Yung iba sa inyo meron ditong upgrade sa trabaho, like for example, mapopromote ka. Oo, kasi merong leadership role for you. Beauty, o ayan, pagpapa-beauty, enhancement ng iyong physical appearance, no? Pwedeng iba sa inyo, may mga enhancement kayong gagawin sa trabaho, no? sa inyong buhok, sa inyong mukha, more on caring for yourself, the way kung paano mo maipakita yung sarili mo sa iba. You are going to shine, actually. You're going to shine. Oh, wow, success. This is really great, no? You will receive the success na dine-deserve mo, Capricorn. So, keep grinding, keep taking action, moving forward, dahil meron tong magandang resulta for you. Ano man tong tatrabahuhin or aayusin mo, especially in your career. Oh my God, look at that, abundance. Meron ka ng success, meron ka pang abundance. Alam niyo, Capricorn, try to change something sa sarili nyo, especially physically, na alam mong mag-enhance ng iyong looks. Kahit na hindi siya surgical, or kahit na hindi naman siya yung tipong may operation na gagawin sa'yo. It's like, let's say, the way you carry yourself, na manamit ka, mas maging presentable, mas nag-aayos ka, or meron kang babaguhin sa hairstyle mo, or sa mga outfit mo, or you will take care some of the things na kailangan mong, na pwede mo pang i-improve sa physical mo na appearance, na hindi mo naman kailangan gumamit ng mga mamahaling produkto. Like, for example, skincare, ganyan. Just to take care of yourself. Kasi I think you will attract more success, more abundance the moment na alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Kasi it's like showing up to the world, to the universe na, oy, I am worthy. This is me. So you are attracting more positive vibes or energies, no? Kapag you are well groomed and you are more confident. Kasi syempre nagdadagdag talaga ng confidence yung alam mo sa sarili mo na presentable ka, 'di ba? Some of you naman, if meron kayong negosyo related sa skincare, health, beauty, anything na nag-enhance, or let's say pwede rin sa wardrobe, sa mga damit, ganyan, pampaganda, pampabeauty, ganyan. So, I see success in that business. Okay, you also have the King of Swords. You have the King of Cups, the Page of Pentacles. Meron kang pag-aaralan. I think you're going to be more disciplined, no? Sa mga gusto mong matutunan, willing ka na mag-undergo sa proseso na kailangan mong pagdaanan. 'Di ba? Bago tayo graduate sa school, nag-aaral tayo ng ilang taon. But for you, I feel like whatever, kung ano man yung proseso na kailangan mong pagdaanan para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo, you are willing to do that. Example, nakikita mo sa social media na nag-share sila ng success stories nila, and sinishare nila kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan nila bago nila nakamit yung tagumpay. So, yun, gagamitin mo siyang inspiration, tatry mo na gawin kung ano yung mga ginawa nilang techniques para ma-achieve yung goals nila. And you're going to be, kumbaga, magiging patient ka sa sarili mo, because you know na kapag gumawa ka ng action, makukuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo. Oh my God. You have the Death card, which is transformation. Makes sense with Pluto here. So, endings and new beginnings for some of you, Capricorn. So, maaring meron ka na rin ile-let go na unhealthy habits na alam mo na hindi naman na nakakatulong for your well-being. You have the Knight of Swords. I feel like you're going to be more expressive of what you really want, na kung talagang alam mo na dinideserve mo, i-communicate mo yan sa mga taong involved. Let's say sa trabaho mo na i-communicate mo sa boss mo na, boss, I deserve this job, I deserve this career, I deserve this promotion. You have miscalculation. So, you are going to take responsibility from your mistakes in the past. Kasi kung lagi mo parang iniisip na, wala akong naging mali, hindi ka makaka-move forward at hindi mo matututunan yung naging mistakes mo. Meron kang talent na ipo-pursue. This can be sa art, sa music, na i-expand mo or i-discover mo. You also have a lot of options available para sa'yo, sa iyong career, sa business mo. So, piliin mo dyan kung saan ka mas nagre-resonate at kung saan kaya mong i-manage. Kasi andyan na yung opportunities para sa'yo. So, sa love life, you have honesty. This is being true to your feelings, to your person. Oh my God, sa may ex-lover, tapos freedom. Maaring palalayain mo rin yung sarili mo sa energy ng person from the past. Pwede kasing you are still holding on to your person from the past, and maaring magsasabi ka ng feelings mo towards that person na parang magbibigay sa'yo ng closure doon sa connection mo, doon sa person mo na yon from the past. Family matters. So, maaring ngayong May, meron kang mga events or situation na kailangan mong attenan for your family. You also have a distant friend is thinking of you. So, meron kang kaibigan, tagal nang iniisip ka. I don't know kung bakit kanya iniisip. Maaring namimiss ka ng kaibigan mo na to. Take care. Enemies are working against you. Of course, kapag ang isang tao nagiging successful, nagiging maganda ang sitwasyon sa buhay, meron dyan na parang seeing that, parang tinitingnan nila yan as negative kasi parang naungusan mo sila, nalagpasan mo sila. So, be careful. Victory in some endeavor. Yes. So, merong victorious energy for you ngayong May. Ito yung mga pinaghirapan mo na finally napagtagumpayan mo na. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.